Hello students, how are you? And today I will teach you exercise 3.1 of chapter number 3 matrices. In the question number 1 is, in this matrix find the order of matrix and number of elements. Third, this part. So for the first part is find the order of the matrix. First of all, we will see in this matrix, this is first row and this one is second row and this one is third row. So how many rows? 3. And this one is first column, this is second column, and this is third column, or this is fourth column. So columns are 3 cross 4. Because the order of the matrix is always equals to number of rows cross number of columns. So here there are 3 rows and 4 columns. So the order is 3 cross 4. Next part, number of elements. Number of elements are very simple. 3 cross 4 is order. So 3 into 4 equals to 12. So there are 12 elements in this matrix. And the next part is A13. Find A13. A13 means 1, 3, first row and third column. A21 means second row and first column. A33 means third row, third column. So for A13 means first row and second column. So first row and third column. So cross element is 19. 19 because first row and third column. So A13 equals to 19. And A21 means second row and first column. So second row and first column. So cross element is 35. A 33 means a third row and third column. Third row and third column. So cross element is 5. So a value of 33 is minus 5. Next, a 24. A 24 means second row and fourth column. Second row and fourth column. So cross element is 12. Next, a 23. A 23 means second row and third column. Third column. Second row and third column. So cross element is 5 by 2. It's a very simple question. And the next question is, in a matrix, if a matrix has 24 elements, what are the possible order it can have? It's simple. If a matrix has 24 elements, so possible orders are, कैसे चेक करेंगे? सपोज हमारे पास 24 एलिमेंट्स हैं, 24 नंबर्स हैं, या तो हम इनको एक ही रो में लिख दें, सिंगल रो, तो ऑर्डर क्या होगा? 1 क्रॉस 24. सपोज किया कि हमारे पास 24 एलिमेंट्स हैं, हम इनको 2 रो में इनको पुट करना है, तो 2 रो में कितने कितने एलिमेंट्स आएंगे? 12 तो मीन्स 2 रो में 12 एलिमेंट्स. सपोज हमको इनको 3 रोज में लिखना है, 3 रोज में तो 24 एलिमेंट्स को, तो 3 रोज में कैसे लिखेंगे? कितने कितने मीन्स 8 आएंगे, तो 3 इंटू 8. सपोज 24 एलिमेंट्स हैं और हमें इनको 4 रोज में लिखना है, तो कितने कितने एलिमेंट्स आएंगे? 6 एलिमेंट्स आएंगे, क्योंकि 4 6 24. सो 4 इंटू 6. हमारे पास 24 एलिमेंट्स है, तो क्या हम इनको 5 रोज में लिख सकते हैं? नहीं लिख सकते. 5 रोज में नहीं आएंगे. 25 होते हैं तो आ जाते 5 इंटू 5. अब 6 रोज में रख के देखते हैं इनको, तो 6 रोज में अगर लिखेंगे तो कितने कितने आएंगे? 4 आएंगे. तो ऑर्डर क्या होगा? 6 इंटू 4. अब चेक करते हैं कि हम इनको 7 रोज में लिख सकते हैं 24 को, तो 7 3 21 नहीं आएगा. अच्छा 8 रोज में लिख के देखते हैं, तो 8 रोज में कितने कितने एलिमेंट्स आएंगे? 3 3. तो ऑर्डर होगा 8 इंटू 3। 9 में देखते हैं 24 नहीं आएंगे, 10 में भी नहीं आएंगे, 11 में नहीं आएंगे। अच्छा 12 में देखते हैं तो क्या बनेगा 12 क्रॉस 2। अब इसके बाद और कोई नहीं आ रहा है, सीधा आएगा कि 24 एलिमेंट है तो एक सीधे कॉलम में ही लिख सकते हैं। तो नेक्स्ट होगा हमारा 24 इंटू 1। और इसका सीधा सिंपल मेथड याद करने का, समझने का है कि 1 इंटू 24 कर सकते हैं, 2 इंटू 12, यानी 24 को जिस जिस नंबर से आप डिवाइड कर सकते हैं उतने ही उसके ऑर्डर्स आएंगे। 3 से डिवाइड हो सकता है तो 8 टाइम्स, 4 से डिवाइड होगा 6 टाइम्स, 5 से नहीं होगा, 6 से डिवाइड होगा 4 टाइम्स। अब हम क्या करते हैं, हमने देखा 4 क्रॉस 6 है तो नेक्स्ट आया 6 क्रॉस 4। इसके जस्ट बाद जो हमारे ऑर्डर्स आएंगे वो इसका ही रिवर्स ऑर्डर आएगा, तो हमने इन्हीं के रिवर्स ऑर्डर में ये लिखा है। नेक्स्ट है इफ अ मैट्रिक्स हैज 13 एलिमेंट्स तो पॉसिबल ऑर्डर्स क्या होंगे। अब पॉसिबल ऑर्डर 1 से हम देखते हैं, अगर हमने सबको 1 रो में लिखा है तो 1 इंटू 13, तो 13 एलिमेंट को 2 रो में नहीं आएंगे, 3 में नहीं आएंगे, क्योंकि 13 किसी से भी डिवाइड नहीं होता है। सो लास्ट क्या होगा इसका 13 क्रॉस 1। अब नेक्स्ट थर्ड पार्ट सेम एज क्वेश्चन नंबर, थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज सेम एज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। सो if a matrix have 18 elements, so possible orders are 8 for 18 elements. Possible orders are 1 into 18. Next 2. How much times? 9 times. 18 एलिमेंट्स को 3 से डिवाइड करके देखो तो 3 इंटू 6। 4 से डिवाइड होगा नहीं, 5 से नहीं, 6 से होगा यस, 6 3 जा। नेक्स्ट क्या 7 से 18 डिवाइड होगा नहीं, 8 से नहीं, 9 से होगा तो 9 2 जा, 9 2 जा 18। और लास्ट किसी से नहीं, 9 के बाद तो सीधा फिर 18 क्रॉस 1। एंड द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज 5 एलिमेंट्स, सो पॉसिबल ऑर्डर्स। तो फर्स्ट होगा 1 क्रॉस 5, तो 5 को तो किसी और से डिवाइड नहीं कर पाएंगे, तो सीधा सिंपल क्या होगा 5 क्रॉस 1। देयर आर द पॉसिबल ऑर्डर्स। इट्स वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज कंस्ट्रक्टेड 2 क्रॉस 2 मैट्रिक्स फॉर A equals to Aij. Matrix always denote by capital letter and the elements denotes by small letters. For first part Aij equals to I plus j whole square by 2, and second part and third part. Now we will construct the first part. For this first part, two cross two matrix. 2 cross 2 matrix, capital A equals to 2 cross 2 means A11, A12, A21, A22. A11 means first row, first column, first row, second column. 21 means second row, first column, and 22 means second row, second column. And order of this matrix, there are 1, 2 rows, and 1 and 2 columns. So this is the matrix of order 2 cross 2. And the first part is Aij equals to I plus j whole square upon 2. And we will put the values 1 1 1 2 2 1 2 2 in this. So A11 means A11 value of I is 1 and value of j is 1. So 1 plus 1 whole square by 2. 1 plus 1 whole square is 4 by 2 equals to 2. Next A12 means value of I is 1 and value of j is 2. So 1 plus 2 whole square by 2. 1 plus 2 whole square 9 by 2. And the third part is A21. Next is A21. A21 means value of I is 2 and value of j is 1. So 2 plus 1 whole square by 2 equals to 9 by 2. And the last element A22. 22 means value of I is 2 and value of j is 2. So I plus j means 2 plus 2 whole square by 2. 2 plus 2 4 square 16 by 2 equals to 8. So the matrix is A equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. इन सबकी वैल्यूज पुट करनी है. तो वैल्यू 2, 9 by 2, 9 by 2 and 8. This is the answer of first part, and you can solve other two parts. Now the question number 5 is construct a 3 cross 4 order matrix. 3 cross 4 order matrix whose elements are given by A, I, j equals to 1 by 2 minus 3i plus j. Same as question number 4. So for this, three cross 4 matrix. Let 3 cross 4 ये ऑर्डर की एक मैट्रिक्स कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे. 3 cross 4 मीन्स 3 rows and 4 columns. So 3 rows A11, A12, A13. How many columns? 4. So A14, A21, A22, A23, A24. Last A31, 32, 33 and 34. So in this matrix, how many rows? There are 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and columns 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the matrix of 3 cross 4 order. And now we will put the values of these elements. Here Aij means A11. So first element is A11 and we will put these values in this equation number 1. Value of I is 1 and value of j is 1. So half minus 3 into 1 plus 1 with mod sign. Half minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 and mod minus 2 is 2. So equals to 1. A12. Next element is A12. So A12 value of I is 1 and value of j is 2. So half minus 3 into 1 plus 2. Half minus 3 1 ja 3 or plus 2 minus 1 with mod sign minus 1. And the mode of minus 1 is plus 1. So half into 1 equals to 1 by 2. And we can find the other elements and put these values in this matrix. Same as question number 4 first part. Now the question number 6. For the question number 6, firstly we will study about a topic, equality of matrices. This is very simple topic. For this, suppose we have two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. Suppose we have two matrices, matrix A and B. They both are equal if there are two conditions. They hold the two conditions. Number one is, first condition is same order. Both have same order. And number two is, the corresponding elements are equal. corresponding elements are equal. कोई भी दो मैट्रिक्स ए और बी अगर दोनों इक्वल हैं तो उनके लिए दो कंडीशन होल्ड होनी चाहिए। पहली कि दोनों का ऑर्डर सेम हो और सेकंड उनके करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स इक्वल होने चाहिए, करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स। नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। The question number 6 is find the values of x, y, z. Find the values of x, y, z for the following equation. Number 1. Number 1 is 4, 3x, 5 equals to y, z, 1 and 5. These two matrices will be equal if they are the same order and corresponding elements equal. So firstly we will see here the order of this matrix 2 cross 2 because 2 rows and 2 columns. In this matrix there are 2 rows and 2 columns. So order is same. So the value of y is 4. So y equals to 4 and z equals to 3 and x equals to 1 or 5 equals to already 5 because this is a constant number. Now the second part is x plus y 2 y plus z xy equals to 6, 2, 5 and 8. Order of this matrix is 2 cross 2 and the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. They both are equal if the corresponding elements are equal. Now the first part is x plus y equals to 6 and 2 equals to 2. Okay, so next 5 plus z equals to 5 and next x y equals to 8. Here z equals to 5 minus 5, so z equals to 0. This is the first value. And the second, x plus y equals to 6 and xy equals to 8. You can solve these two equations by any method. You have studied in 10th class. There are many 3 methods for these two equations: elimination method, cross multiplication method, substitution method. You can solve by any method. Clear? Okay. Next, question number 7. Find the values of a, b, c, d from the following equations. You can solve. Okay. Question number 7 is here a minus b, 2a plus c, 2a minus b, 3c plus d equals to minus 1, 5, 0 and 30. This is also very simple. Order of this matrix is 2 cross 2 and order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. Now comparing the elements. Now a minus b equals to minus 1. 2a minus b equals to 0. Equation number 1, equation number 2. Next, here 2a plus c equals to 5 and 3c plus d equals to 30. You can solve these equations by any method. So we will solve equation number 1 and 2. Now the equation number 2 is from equation 2. From equation 2, 2a minus b equals to 0. So b equals to 2a. Putting these values in equation number 1, and the equation 1 is a minus b equals to minus 1. So a minus b equals to -1 and a minus value of b is 2a equals to -1. A minus 2a is minus a equals to -1. So a equals to 1. Equation number 5. Put this value in equation number 5. Therefore b equals to 2 into 1 equals to 2. So the value is b equals to 2. Now the equation number 3 is 2a plus c equals to 5. From equation 3, 2a plus c equals to 5. So value of a is 1. Now 2 into 1 plus c equals to 5. So c equals to 5 minus 2. C equals to 3. And now from equation 4, last equation, 3c plus d equals to 13. 3c plus d equals to 13. Value of c is 3. So 3 into 3 plus d equals to 13. So d equals to 13. 3 3 is 9. So value of d is 4. And we have find all values. A equals to 1, b equals to 2, c equals to 3 and d equals to 4. Now the question number 8 is, question number 8 is, A equals to Aij m cross n is a square matrix. Is a square matrix. This question is a multiple choice question. So first part is A equals to m less than n. B part is m greater than n. C part is m equals to n, and D is none of these. Square matrix means row and columns are equal. Row and column, m denote the number of row and n denote number of column. If a matrix has number of row equals to number of column, that matrix is called square matrix. So here third part is true. And question number 9, which of the given values x and y the following pairs of matrices equals to? And question number 9 is homework, same as question number 7 and 6. Thanks.